political zones that have had the shortest stints at the presidency should be given special consideration in choosing the presidential flag bearer of the party in 2023 elections. While we admit this is a very strong argument, we should not lose sight of the fact that Nigeria is endowed with many capable and very experienced leaders in every part of the country. Moreover, the exigencies of the moment demand that nothing should be compromised in choosing the leader with the attributes to disentangle the country from the present quagmire. Therefore, we think that every Nigerian from every part of the country should be given the opportunity to choose the best candidates through a credible primary election as a way of institutionalizing a merit-based leadership recruitment process for the country and for the party. 5, the endemic frictions of intergovernmental relations, especially between the states and the federal government, suggest that the present constitutional arrangement is grossly inadequate to contend with changing demographic and democratic challenges. Our party must therefore push for either a review and endorsement of the 2014 Constitutional Conference report or for a new constitutional conference to be organized. In short, the party should advocate for genuine restructuring that fosters decentralization, engenders national unity, guarantees security of lives and property for all Nigerians, no matter where they reside in the country, and which promotes economic prosperity and overall well-being of our dear people. Number 6, the party should actively encourage the current reform by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to make it truly independent and to be able to conduct elections devoid of coercive apparatus of the state, underhand manipulations, and outright intimidation of voters. Number 7, the military should be insulated from the conduct of elections as their presence breeds intimidation and questions the integrity of the process. Above all, it denies some of the candidates a level playing field that is a singular barometer for ascertaining the wishes of the people. Similarly, the police should be made to be more impartial in the supervision of all elections. Mr. Chairman, Your Excellencies, leaders of our party, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, we do not pretend that this single report contains all the answers to the questions.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.